I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've been doing this work for 51 years and I am a national expert. I've been on all the major TV stations. I don't give a whole list of all the crap I've done. You can look at my website at 777irs.com. I was a teaching instructor at IRS. I worked there for a decade. I've been in private practice for 41 years, and I have a whole team of former IRS agents we all work together. Look at my website and you can find out more. Today I want to talk to you about tax relief and getting tax relief, and the only way to get true tax relief and to get rid of your debt is just really through one program, and that's the offer and compromise. It's actually sickening when I look at this industry and find out all the ads that there are and all the bait that people use to go ahead and say, hey, pay us $300 and then let's get started, and boom, after you pay that $300 and a $20,000 bill is coming. These companies all use bait for you to call them and sign up, and they make all these ads and promises that they cannot keep. I know they can't keep because I used to teach the offer and compromise program. I used to accept offers and deny offers, approve them and disapprove them. I know why they get accepted and why they don't. I know what goes on behind the curtain. So what I want to tell you is, don't believe the bait of these big tax resolution companies. Their normal gimmick is they usually throw out the Fresh Start program or some new program that's just come out that really does not exist, and they always will start with a $300 or $500 basic fee to come in. So the fact is that you've given them money, now they've set the hook. So you may not want to let that happen. Anyway, the only way you're going to get tax relief is through the offer and compromise program. A couple things you need to know: there's an IRS pre-qualifier tool at IRS you can go look at. It's the IRS pre-qualifier tool for the offer. That will give you a really good idea whether you're eligible. It's not what a professional would do. I usually look at a financial statement. I look at those for free, and I kind of say, well, if you do this and this, we may be able to get the offer through. So just because the pre-qualifier tool said no, that doesn't mean you can't get the offer through. But once again, that pre-qualifier tool, you should go ahead and use it. Just after my video, go to irs.gov or just put it in your toolbar, IRS pre-qualifier tool for the offer and compromise. But I want you to know the IRS is only going to look at two things. They're only going to look at, when you do your offer, they're going to look at what your assets are, and they're going to look at your income and expenses. That's the key. If you want to know more, you can contact me, but for every case, I do not take any money unless I look at your financial statement. I need you to send me a 433A, and with that, I can make a determination whether you're even a candidate for an offer. Don't believe the ads. Don't let them set bait on you, because I get so many calls on this phone of all the people that have been ripped off. So be careful. I try to give you the truth for IRS tax relief. You're welcome to call me. When you call my office, by the way, you talk to me. Give me a subscription if you would. That's really important. Why does everyone want subscriptions? The more subscriptions you have, the more YouTube, it appears that you have value to them. So anyway, if you would do that for YouTube's sake, I would appreciate it. I have about 2,500 videos on stuff that goes on behind the scenes at IRS. You want to do an offer and compromise, our firm, there's no one like us. Thank you.